This is my hair tutorial. Just kidding, I'm not teaching you anything. A bunch of people wanted to see what I use for hair product and how I style my hair. So I'm gonna take you through wash, rinse, wet style, blow dry today. And then I don't like to curl or curl my hair until at least day 2 or 3. So then I'll do a follow up to that. But we are, I don't know how many days into unwashed hair we are. This is it. Yes. Tool structure detangler comb before I wash. Okay, this is what I use to wash my hair. It's Kevin Murphy Maxi Wash. Because I only wash my hair like once a week at most, this strips all the product out of it and gets it super clean. So that's Maxi Wash. And this is Kevin Murphy Angel Rinse. Rinse for Kevin Murphy is the conditioner. And it's for fine colored hair. I don't color my hair, but it brings volume. So I'm gonna pop in the shower, and I'm gonna wash and rinse, and then I'll come back out and I'll show you what I use for styling products. Okay, I'm back. Normally I don't put on makeup before I do my hair because you can blow dry and you get hot and you get sweaty and your face gets red, but this is like different. The next thing I'm gonna use is Kevin Murphy Bodybuilder. It's a mousse. It's a volumizing mousse. I like big hair. Shocker. So I'm gonna take, what's happening? Come on, mousse. I don't know, that much? Who knows? The more volume, the better. And I'm gonna put that at the roots. Just take that through my hair. Okay, I got a little on my shoulder. My shoulder is gonna be full of volume today. And then I'm going to blow dry upside down for more volume. I'm gonna use, oh gosh, I should have cleaned my brushes out. I'm gonna use this hairy flat brush. Let me just pull the hair out of there real quick. So I can see here. This flat brush to like make it straight because I have wavy curly hair, and then for more volume I'll go through with the big round brush, but for now we're gonna do an upside down blow dry. Here we go. Basically I just go ham on the roots for a while, but it's kind of air dried a little bit since I did my face. Okay, now we're straight. So like I said, usually don't curl or crimp or whatever my hair until day 2 or 3 because that's when it looks best. Like if I were to curl, well, if I were to crimp right now, it would just be a big fluffy mess of fluff. Now, like I want it to stay big, right? Like that's just how I like it. I don't like a smooth, flat look, which so many people love because it's probably the right thing to do, but I don't care. So I have 2 things that I'm gonna use now. One is Kevin Murphy Powder Puff. It's a powder, but when you put it in your roots, it feels like cool liquid. So I'll show you how to use it. So I just want lift like right here under that part, right? So, okay, and cute. Look at the little dots. They make a smiley face. I'm sure that's like, there's like a reason for that, but I just like to pretend it's smiling at me. Okay, so then you just sprinkle. See, just like that. You go like this. See how it's already more volume? Yes. Okay, same thing on this side. Just gonna go tippy tappy, tinkle tinkle. It's a technical term for hair. Rub, rub, rub. Okay, find the right part again. Yeah. Just a little more volume. Okay. Okay. And then we've got all these layers. Look at my hair growing out. I probably should take a flat iron and flatten this, but I'm not going to. Because I'm not going anywhere. And then now I'm going to use Kevin Murphy's bedroom hair, which is, I almost said flexurizing. It's flexible texturizing spray. We're just gonna go swoop, swoop. Yeah. It just gives a little bit of stuff. Texture, like it holds a little better without like shellacking your hair into place, okay? Okay, that's what I'm using today. Okay, so these were the products I used to style Kevin Murphy Bodybuilder, Kevin Murphy Powder Puff, and Kevin Murphy Bedroom Hair. When I do it curly or crimp, I'm not sure which I'm gonna do, I will show you the other products that I use for that. Thanks for watching.